Izredno me je navdušil elektronski sistem za stabilizacijo vožnje prikolice, v našem konkretnem primeru v Renaultu Scenicu.
If your caravan is sliding on the side and you will be faster, what will happen? Suck. That's not good. What will you do? Oh. Don't do that. Please don't do that. Please don't do anything with your steering wheel. Okay? Don't do anything with your steering wheel. Just release the throttle pedal because it is electric driven car. It have a recuperation, so it will brake a little bit, and try don't to do much with your steering wheel. Gently.
Torej, ko prikolica zadaj zaniha, samo mirno odvzemite plin in nikar ne opletajte z volanom. Tako bo elektronika odpravljala samo nihaj prikolice, ne pa poleg tega reševala še vašo napačno reakcijo. No, pri avtodomu, kjer je to vozilo pač v enem kosu, pa je vseeno treba znati pravilno rokovati.
Excellent job. Well done. Good. Very well. When you combine braking and avoiding, so braking and turning the steering wheel is much more easier.